I did a video recently going through how to change the SEO appearance of your page, like a single page on Squarespace. And then I thought, well, if I've done it for one page, why don't I show you how to do it on your entire site? So this is how to change the SEO appearance, so the default SEO appearance of your Squarespace website. So what we want to do is go into our site settings. So click down here on the cog. Then we're going to go into marketing up here. Then click on SEO appearance. And you can see here we have SEO title format. So this is going to be the default for your website. Put your title in there and your description in there. If you want to copy what I'm doing, feel free. You can also click on here to use Squarespace AI. So you can overwrite the SEO description. I'm not going to do that. But if you did want, like let's say you're stuck, you don't know what to write, click on AI and it'll write it for you. I would recommend don't fully trust the AI. Make sure you add a human touch, because you don't want to have the same thing as a ton of other people. Because when you think about it, if everyone's doing the same prompt, they want to rank for whatever, then it's all going to be the same, just a sea of exactly the same stuff. So finesse it a little bit, massage it into something personal, and then you should be good to go. So once you're happy, obviously hit save, and then you're done. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.